Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here with another training video. And of course I'm going to be placing this video on this page, a brief description on how our mentor and Crypto Team Build Mastermind group works. If you're watching this video someplace out there on YouTube somewhere, just simply scroll down into the description of this video. And there's going to be a link, and click on that link and you're going to be redirected to this page. Now, what I like to do with all my videos, I like to put the disclaimer in there that what I'm teaching today, what I'm producing today, may not work tomorrow. Things change overnight. In fact, the reason I'm doing this video is because something has changed. I actually created a Facebook group, and that's something brand new. We're going to be talking about it down here. I'm going to be putting this video here. Now, if you want your crypto wallets and portfolios to look like ours, this is Marty Bostic, my partner, business partner. Of course, this is me, Harvey Silver Fox, to look like our Coinbase, Treasure Wallet, and of course the Tron wallets. We have about 10 of them here. And it totals about $250,000. And no, we did not make this overnight. You cannot make this overnight, gang. For all those posts out there, those offers, those opportunities, say, yeah, I get rich overnight. Don't believe them. Run away fast. This is an accumulation of years of work, and what we do is we bank our money here, and of course we take our living expenses out and our travel expenses and our entertainment expenses. But this is what we have left over throughout the years, is about $250,000. So if you want your Coinbase Treasure Wallet and your Tron wallets to look like ours, you need to follow the instructions on this page. So let's work our way down here and let's get busy. One of the several benefits we offer our Crypto Team Build members is the opportunity to decide if a new crypto opportunity should be added to the Team Build Rotator, and or you can request that your own best crypto opportunity be placed in the Crypto Team Build Rotators by clicking here. So if you click here, and I'm sure many of you have seen this already, we have about 16 of them in here. And so when our team members join these opportunities, these crypto opportunities in here, of course they're going to get a referral link. And what they need to do is get into our Crypto Team Build Telegram group and request that their referral link be placed in these rotators right here. So, to learn how this works, join our Facebook group here. Then follow the instructions to decide if one of the crypto opportunities that are posted in the Facebook group should be added to the Team Build Rotator, or see if your best crypto opportunity would qualify to be placed in the Crypto Team Build Rotator. So let's click through and take a look. This is brand new. In fact, it has 4 members now. Okay, that's all it has. In fact, I just put this together today. This is April 17th. And so what you're going to do is you're going to join this group. Once you've joined the group, be a good team member, copy and paste it. I'm going to explain that in just a minute how to do that. But this is my post. It's pinned to the top. It's going to stay at the top all the time. So those people working crypto out there that join this group, this Facebook group here, here's the instructions. Post your best crypto opportunity below so our crypto team, which is you guys, the members, can take a look at it to see if it would be a good fit for our portfolio of crypto opportunities recommended portfolio here. And of course, we've been there already. Okay? So this is what's required. When they do the post, that they're required to, of course, give the name of the crypto program, the creator or the owner's name of the program. This is how we do our research to see if there's any, you know, the fake players out there, the bad players out there, the scammers. Marty and I know just about everyone out there, all right? And as soon as they give the name and the owner of the program, we know if it's a good one or a bad one, typically, not always. And of course, what type of crypto it uses. The ones that use just Bitcoin, I mean, those programs are like useless because the transfer fees are so high, so expensive that it's very difficult to get anything going on a platform that offers crypto, that offers Bitcoin. So if they say it's Bitcoin, then, you know, chances are it's not any good. It's not a good platform, not a good program. The programs or your referral link. So when somebody comes from another Facebook group, we want them to post the URL, the link. It could be their referral link. Do not post a Telegram link. As most of you know, those Telegram links that they keep spamming and posting out there, saying that Mrs. Henry and Mrs. Butterworth or whoever, you know, just made a lot of money for me in their crypto trading program. Those are all scams. We all know that. So we're not going to allow those links to be posted in our Facebook group here. Plus, they would not work in the rotator, would they? We cannot place those links in the rotator. And any other info that they can supply to help our team with the recommendations to add it in our portfolio. Now, our team, which is, of course, you now, will take a look at it and give our recommendations in a comment under their post. It's going to be under their post. I have this pinned post turned off so nobody can put a comment or to put a post here, because it really gets out of hand when that happens. They have to make a fresh, brand new post. So we're going to take a look at it. You're going to take a look at it. The moderators are going to take a look at it to see if it would be a good fit and if it would be a good fit to add to our portfolio of crypto opportunities, which, there again, here it is again. I'm going to be taking you over here several times. So if that member, that new member that makes that post, if they do not follow the instructions above and post anything else but the info above, we're going to consider them spammers and scammers. And the post will be deleted from our Facebook group and they will be blocked from posting. So I'm sure you've seen a lot of those fake pictures of people holding up and waving money. I'm sure you've seen a lot of those images of somebody saying, I just got paid and here's what I got paid. I got paid $100,000 today, you know, which are all fake. They do not, if they post those images, guess what's going to happen? Well, they're going to call them spammers and scammers. Then down here, go here and join one or more of our Crypto Team Build pre-screened crypto programs. You've been here again. Let's go over here again. Now see what I'm doing here? I am now getting these brand new members of this Facebook group to join one or more of our Crypto Team Build pre-screened crypto programs. Of course, many you can join for free. Now I'm going to get them to now join the Crypto Team Build Telegram group. which if you're watching this video, chances are you're in the group already, and you're active in the group, right? Got to stay active in the group. If you don't stay active, your referral links come out of the rotator. Got to stay active. Try to get in there every day and make comments, make positive comments, and make your presence known. Otherwise, we're taking your referral links out of the rotators. So when asked, say you were referred from they're going to make this post in the Telegram group. They're going to copy this, post your best crypto opportunity Facebook group here, and you'd like instructions, of course they would like instructions, to place their brand new crypto program referral links, of which they possibly could have joined underneath you, right? Because you're in the rotator, in the Team Build rotators. That's it. That's how we're going to generate traffic from these other Facebook groups, okay? So now I'm going to show you what you need to do, you as a team need to do to drive traffic to this Facebook group. You need to come up here, highlight that, Control C, and now we're going to go out there and look for Bitcoin or crypto-related other Facebook groups. So let's see, crypto, Bitcoin. Okay, here's one. That was mine. By the way, I have about 600 groups out there. Okay, let's see if we can find one. Bitcoin. This might be a good one here. This one's mine. I'm just going to give you an example how this works here. Oh, this group's been archived. I'm going to unarchive it. There you go. Confirm. Hey, you can post in my groups. I don't care. As long as they're crypto related. Go for it, man. So we're going to start a discussion here. Okay, I got a little template that I have on my Word doc. And, of course, I've got the link to that Facebook group. Yeah, there it is. Now I'll go here, join one of our crypto Facebook groups to request to post your crypto opportunity in that group. That's it. So let's post it. There it is. And, of course, if somebody clicks on it, that link, it's going to take them right to post your best crypto opportunity here. Gang, that's how I want you to help us drive traffic to this Facebook group here. So those brand new members can see, take a look at our portfolio of crypto opportunities. And since you are in the rotation, you're in the rotators for many of these, you will have the opportunity to possibly have somebody join through you. But if we work as a team and all of us do this, driving traffic to this Facebook group, there you go. Just one more cog in the wheel on how we help each other build our crypto business. Another way to find crypto groups out there, you can do a hashtag, you can do Bitcoin, crypto investing, crypto. That's how you can find them. So see if we can find something here, another group here. Well, these are just posts. Bitcoin mining. I think you get the idea. I'm going to find one more group though. Cryptocurrency community. It's on my mind. And my little template. Now, sometimes I have to be approved, but that's fine. Nope, in this case I didn't. Okay. All right, there you go. That's how you do it, gang. As a team, important that you pay attention to this so you're not put in Facebook jail. Be careful not to post more than 5 in an hour's period of time. In fact, I would suggest, since the whole team are going to be doing this, maybe just 5 a day. because we don't want to get in trouble and be put in Facebook jail. So pay attention to that. As we work our way down here, just make sure you go through these videos down here. Pay attention to our offer. It's by invitation only. This is just for our members. Just for our members. We don't go out and advertise this sales funnel. This sales funnel would cost, it's like ClickFunnels or some of those big powerful funnels out there. Most of you know ClickFunnels cost you about $200–300 a month. There is no subscription fee, monthly subscription fee here. So make sure you watch this video and then keep working your way down here. I'm still in the process of making these videos down here, but make sure you go through Marty's training. In fact, the next video I'm going to make is going to be about this Marty's training here. The training you're going to receive will show you how we banked the $250,000, and of course I just showed that to you. Image in the top of the page here. Once you go through Marty's training, there should be no excuses, no sniveling, no crying, all right? You can't make the same in the months and years to come. Keep working your way down here, go through all this training down here. Very important, especially if you want to have a portfolio or a wallet looks like Marty's and my wallet here. With that said, I'll be waiting for you in the Crypto Team Build Telegram room. Let's go make some money.